Hi there. I just wanted to show you a new demo of an app I've been working on that I'm calling the paleographinator. This is an app designed to um, help users work with Latin abbreviated text and to quickly find different instances of a particular word. So the impulse behind this comes from me when working on text. There's often ambiguous abbreviations, and I want to look back and see how they've been transcribed elsewhere and see similar instances so I can easily compare those abbreviations with other words. So a good example for me is the word opus, omnipotens, and omnis. It's just omnis and omnipotens. They can often be confusing, and I want to see different instances of this so I can compare them. So here I can search and I can quickly see both instances of opus and omnipotence, and you can see how similar they are to some degree. And I can also see this as it appears in other manuscripts with different scripts and different hands. So here we're scrolling through across 4 or 5 different manuscripts, and when each has several results, we can page over within a given manuscript. So here I'm seeing the next 5 in this one, the next 5 here, and I can see other instances here. So extenso ad opus, right? Opus, you can see instances. And if I'm interested in a particular text, I can filter over and see those lines in context. Here, grabbing images directly from the Vatican image server. Compare the context line here. Should be in blue. Comes. It's a long line here. And I can scroll up and do this for any of the manuscripts. Small mistake there. You can see that in context here. So you can imagine the kind of filtering that we could do once we have enough data. So we could say, I only want to see instances of, let's use a more common word like quad, only in manuscripts that are in the University of Pennsylvania collection. So here I have instance of quad, and here I have the instances of quad in early 17th century manuscripts. So you can see how different, quickly see how different the word quad is abbreviated here in comparison to, say, an early 14th century manuscript. Or if you're just interested in a single codex, you could limit your search this way. Again, let's say I'm interested in the confusion between relatus and respectus. I can search accordingly, and here I can see how difficult relatus, but here respectus. Okay? And either I've made a mistake in my transcription, I can go back now and easily review that, or the abbreviation is just highly ambiguous. And I can scroll through here or inspect this instance in context. So this has the potential to search across a wide corpus of texts and manuscripts. I've limited it here to just ones we have coordinates for, but you can see that we have growing texts for a number of manuscripts that contain scholastic works. And as coordinates are collected and as transcriptions are made, which are being created for other purposes, for viewing online, for books, all that data gets aggregated in such a way that we can repurpose it for different kinds of viewers with different kinds of purposes, just like we see in the paleographinator. So that's it for now. I'll try to keep you updated as I make more progress with the app, but I wanted to share that and see what we can do with IIIF and good data. Thanks a lot for watching.